Well, we're going to give you a tour of some of these hellebores, which we've never seen quite such a good range or display of different varieties all in one place. We're at the Edgefield Nursery in Norfolk, and we're just going to run you through all the different varieties on offer here and show you. They've got some spectacularly healthy, good-looking pot-grown plants on offer here. So let's run you through what we've got. First one, Penny's Pink, as the name suggests. Cream centres, lime green in the centre, but on the outer aspect and top side, a lovely rich pink with white on it. Really nice one, that. Good leaf formation on it as well. If you look at these, almost striated along the veins. Nice one, that. And just look at this red. This is actually a variety called Anna's Red. And as the name suggests, in the sunlight here in Norfolk this morning, just look at the red on that. Beautiful deep one. There's another red one just coming up, which is a little lower in growth. This is about 2 foot. Let's move along here. Cheryl Shine. Very nice variety, very similar to the first one we showed you. A little more open in its habit, this one. Again, nice leaf formation. Good upright habit on this. It's holding its flowers really nicely high up, which is a good feature of a hellebore. And you get to see both the underside and the top side of the flowers. Lumi Lime, a lime green variety. Less spectacular overall if I just draw back on this one. Nice lime green. I'm sure this will shine in the sunshine. Much more open leaf. Serrated 5 on a stem, again with a striation on it, but just look at this one in the shade, which might be influencing how it looks. This one's Charmer, and beautiful deep crimsony pink, large flowers. Just let me put my hand in there so you get a feel for the size of these. Just look at that. That is stunning. Loads of bud. That's the other thing to say about this variety. Just look at it if I pull back. Peppered with buds coming on and good sized flowers. Nice one, that. Variegated flower, Cinderella. Much less florid, slightly more upright. Just pull away, you'll see this is a good 6 inches above Charmer, but wow. Just look at the detail on the underside of this flower. Not so marked on the top. It tends to be drooped down, so you really have got to spec these to get the full benefit of it. Shame it hasn't got more of that patterning on the top of the flower, but that's a very nice one. Healthy looking plants. Dark emerald green leaf, 5, 6 on a stem. Very nice, good looking plant. Let's go around the other side and see the rest. Another lime green Santhia Double. Look at this one. Full flower, big, full double, lovely. Not quite as lime green as the one we showed you just before, but this is sort of almost got a hint of buttercup yellow into it with the green. Nice dark foliage. Flowers held really nicely high on this one. It's probably around 18 inches in height. And contrast between the leaf and the flowers is enough to really give you a distance impression of the flower that this plant's holding. Dorothys Door, obviously a little later than these other varieties. Trying to struggle to find one of these actually in open flower to show you what it's like, and I can't, so probably good indication that this one may be a couple of weeks behind the other earlier varieties. Only thing we've got to go on is the label on here. Dorothys Door. Molly's White. This one, tall variety again. Beautiful, creamy buttermilk yellow. It's not a pure white in any form, but the overall contrast from above really is of a pale whitish flower on the tops. Only when you get close up you notice the green on it. Lovely load of bud coming on these plants. Just let me show you this one. That's going to flower really well over a long period of time, and it's holding its flowers up really nicely again. Next one along, Glendas Gloss, another pink and cream variety. Beautiful bowl-shaped flowers these, with a real full centre. Just look at the amount of sepals and stamens in the centre of this. Pink striations with green and cream on the top side, nicely held up and erect. Buds are particularly spectacular on this just before they open. Pink seems to be on the sort of periphery of the petals, and that really is more apparent when the buds are held tight. Moon Dance, next one along. More of a white than the white variety, really nice big good sized flowers, full in the centre, nicely held upright, very large leaves this, absolutely enormous compared to some of the others, which does tend to shadow the flower volumes really, but look, great bud formation on them, and again, good height, running at around 14 inches. Last one to show you this afternoon, Dana's Dulcet, another pink and green variety. Lovely dark red stems on this, and the foliage good scaled darker with some of that red coming through as well. Bowl shaped flower, pink with full, not as full as the previous ones, but plenty of bud, held really well on the plants. So lovely varieties available here, all in fantastic condition. Hope that's given you some taste for the colour variations and styles that are available on this day in Hellebores. Thanks for watching.